how to download and add Zoom extension on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Zoom on Google Chrome. So all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the chrome.google.com. This is the Chrome web store. As you can see, you can just search for it on Google and you will find it. Now as you can see, this is the home page of the Chrome web store. Or what you have to do now is simple. Just click here on the search bar and search for Zoom like this, and you will find the Zoom extension right here, Zoom schedule. As you can see here, this is the videos and how to use it. Now all what you have to do is click on add to Chrome and click add extension, and it's gonna be done for you easy and fast. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.